Struggling to get monetized on YouTube because of reused content? You're not alone, and YouTube isn't playing around with this rule. What is reused content? Reused content means you're using someone else's material, like video clips, music, or footage, without significantly transforming it. YouTube wants creators to add original value, not just repackage what's already out there. Common examples that will get flagged: TikTok or Shorts compilations, even if you credit creators; TV or movie clips with little to no commentary; top 10 videos using unedited viral footage; re-uploads of news segments; reusing your own videos on multiple channels without changes. If your channel mostly features this type of content, monetization is likely to be denied, even if you meet the subscriber and watch time requirements. What is allowed? You can use existing footage if you transform it. YouTube looks for original commentary, educational value, or creative editing. Here are examples that are usually allowed: reaction videos with meaningful input; commentary or criticism, like reviews or essays; educational uses with narration or visuals; heavily edited compilations that add storytelling, pacing, or humor; parody or satire under fair use. If you're not changing the content in a way that's clear and meaningful to the viewer, YouTube sees it as reused, and your monetization will be blocked. Ask yourself, would someone watch this for your voice, your edits, or your point of view? If the answer is no, it's time to rework it. Want more tips like this? Subscribe to YT Rule Talk and stay safe on the platform.